Hi everyone, we are here today at our latest listing in Costa Nova Panorama, one of the nicest areas in Javea when it comes to views. I mean, look at that. So this villa is a large villa distributed over two separate levels. I will put the rest of the specs right here. So let's go have a look. If you would like to get more information on this villa, arrange a viewing, or even want to sell your own property, don't hesitate to get in touch with us on the contact details below.